Let's bring in Bob Dahl, Chief Equity Strategist and Senior Portfolio Manager at Nuveen. We've seen quite a turnaround with the markets today alone. We see a healthy consumer over the past 5 days of the holiday shopping weekend. What will make and what will break a holiday end-of-year rally, Bob?
After a tough October and November, I guess we're entitled to a good December.
Yeah.
Seasonals are strong, as you know, Liz. Look, we've got to see some cessation in this concern about slowing U.S. economic and earnings growth. It is slowing, and we just don't know to what level, and that's what has the market discouraged among a bunch of other things. While we saw a rally, as you pointed out today, after the good day yesterday, the small stocks are Russell 2000 still down more than 0.5%. So it's not broad-based, Liz. I'm glad to see the strength in the consumer. You're right. The consumer's in pretty good shape. More people working, wage rates starting to move up, savings rate reasonably high. We should have a good holiday spending season.
Okay, I see all of that, but when we talk about black swans, these unexpected events, they're not even off in the distance. They're right in front of our faces. Will there not be a Brexit deal? What about China and the trade war with the U.S.? G20 is just 48 hours away. I mean, you have a lot of issues here. The European Union is facing Italy, which maybe wants to have a Brexit-type referendum. What could break an end-of-year rally, Bob?
Yeah, disappointment on all those fronts. They're all uncertainties, and they seem like bigger uncertainties than they were, let's say, Labor Day, when everybody was smiling. Let's take the China trade one, which is so visible. My guess is both presidents, Trump and Xi, will come to some kind of agreement on something. It might just be that the sky is blue, but they've got to agree on something so they can get out on stage and say, we agree and we're going to keep talking. And my guess is that's what they're aiming to do. But substantive progress, I don't think so. This is a big issue, and it's going to take a lot of time, Liz.
So knowing that, yes or no, do you keep your money in the market right now and roll with the punches?
Yeah, I think you've got to be selective. It's not about the market. It's about what you own and what you don't own. It's an alpha world, not a beta world, in my view, which is a lot harder. Most of us have gotten accustomed to stocks go up 15% every year. Just buy them and hold them. We're not in that world anymore. When you get a rally, you got to be willing to let some stuff go. And when we get a dip, you got to have a stomach to buy some.